Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another night with another unboxing, and I'm really hoping that this is going to be a new favorite of mine. No, this is not a pair of fake Air Jordan 1, but I could stretch and say that they are homage to the very classic Air Jordan 1. So while I'm unboxing, let me tell you about why I bought them. So I am a huge fan of the Air Jordan 1. I have a bunch of them and I love the Bred colorway. I think it's the most versatile shoe that anyone could have to anything. And I use a bunch of them at the same time. Let me explain. As you clearly can see, the Breds are like my go-to shoes. These are 2016, 2013, and then we have the mids. And I have a bunch of these. So there you have beaters, and when I want to look good, and semi-beaters, etc. So what I've been wanting for many years is a luxurious pair of Air Jordan 1 Bred. And we have the Yves Saint Laurent that I haven't bought them actually because I can't get anyone to answer me about the sizes, and I don't dare to order a pair of super expensive sneakers that might be in the wrong size. So here we have Collegium Pillar Destroyer High, and that is a US brand that make their shoes in Italy with Italian leather and everything. So it's luxury pair of sneakers. Oh, I can already smell the leather. Yes, this is what I want. So luxurious sneakers. In the box we get laces, 3 pair of laces, tan, white and red, and we got a soft dust bag that will fit the shoes, I hope. And then we have the shoes. So these sold out instantly. Oh, they are so soft. And I'm hoping they're true to size. So they sold out instantly. But the great thing is that after they sold out instantly, they made a pre-order thing. So we were, I don't know, 300 customers that were that had the option to pre-order them, and now 3 months later I have them. Oh man, I like them. So as I said, we have a bunch of inspiration from the Air Jordan 1, but also from the Nike Terminator and the Nike Blazer. So I knew from the pictures that these were not going to look as red as the Air Jordan 1 because these are supposed to look vintage. So here we have them, comparisons side by side, and when I'm gonna try them on, I'm hoping that they're true to size, and by true to size I mean true to size as the Air Jordan 1. So as I said, I wear the Air Jordan 1 to everything, and a great pair of shoe. It's just that with some outfits where I want to be a little bit more classy, a little bit more dressed up, maybe with a suit, they are a bit too big and too clumsy, too much of a basketball sneaker. These, as a luxury sneaker, I wish you could smell them. I think these are going to be great for that purpose. And I'm hoping that I'm gonna like them so much that I'm gonna wear them a lot, because just like the Air Jordan 1, they are just going to look better and better the more I beat them up. I'm pretty sure about that. The rubber outsole is very rubbery, which I think is good for grip. The midsole feels rubbery, but like leather rubbery, if that makes any sense for you. It's not that stiff rubber like we have on Air Jordan 1. And then the leather is soft, very nice. The toe box is a bit stiffer than the rest of the shoe, and I don't mind that at all, because I hated, like on the Chicago Air Jordan 1, the leather on the toe box is so soft so you can see where my big toe is. I don't like that at all. Yeah, Collegium Pillar Destroyer High, made in Italy with Italian leather, American brand. And yeah, the pricing is, in US they are cheaper, I think $250. For us in Europe, for some reason, even though that they are made in US, they're made in Italy, shipped to US, and then shipped to me in Sweden. So I have to pay a bit more. So I think I paid 290 euros maybe, and I got the shoes today by DHL, which means that I'm going to pay taxes afterwards. And that's too bad. If they were sent to me directly from Italy, they would be cheaper and I don't have to pay that extra taxes. I don't mind that the leather isn't as red as these, because I think that would look more discreet while wearing a suit or being dressed up. And the yellowing of the sole, which is supposed to give you that patina look, I don't mind that either. I'm really hoping that I'm going to like them, because they have a bunch of other cool sneakers that I'm hoping to get. They have the black toes, or they don't have the black toes. They released the black toes last year and they also sold out instantly. And I don't mind this pre-order thing at all. I wish Nike would do that. Pre-order, I pay in advance, like 3 months before I get the shoes, but I know that I'm going to get them. I don't mind that at all. I wish all companies would do that so they don't have to lay out with the money. The shoes are probably getting cheaper because of that, and they know how many shoes they are going to produce. So yeah, I can't wait to put them on. I see now that on video they look just as red as the Air Jordan 1, but they really are not. It's just that iPhone sucks when it comes to the color red. They are much more darker and more vintage looking. Let me see like that. Yeah, warmer red than Air Jordan 1. And this is the 2013 pair, not the glitter edition from 2016. But as you can see, they are very similar. Or you can say that they are similar to the Yves Saint Laurent that are similar to those. So everything is a replica of a replica, or sample of a sample, or copy of a copy, or homage to an homage. I really like it that the laces go around like this. It feels sort of old school to me. I remember when I was a young little Serbshire, big feet but with really small ankles, and with like the Air Force One, the laces were just as long as on the larger size as men's shoes. So this is what we used to do, put them all around the ankle. But that means that I have to untie them to get my foot in. I tried with this one, and With the laces tied, there's no way for getting my feet in. And well, when my feet are in, I would say that they are true to size. A little bit more narrow, smaller than your Air Jordan 1, but you can see that on the design. You can see that they are smaller in the design. But since the leather are way softer, that is okay. So I know that when I'm gonna untie the laces, they're gonna fit me well. What I really like is that they are wider in the toe apartment. So for me that have a wide foot, they fit me perfectly. I would almost say that they fit me better than an Air Jordan 1. But I would say that they are true to size. If you have very narrow feet, maybe you want to go down half a size. But to me, this is perfect. I used to have to untie them a bit. And the insole, I don't know what kind of material that is, but that is softer than expected. They are. So I really like them. They remind me of the Swedish brand Difficult by P, which is also handmade sneakers that are made in Italy with Italian leather. I have a video about those, check that out. That is absolutely a pair of shoes that I also recommend. But what I do like about these is just that thing that I expected, that they look a little bit slimmer, they look a little bit more adult, a little bit more luxurious, but still it is that classic Air Jordan 1 look. And I'm pretty sure that they have some kind of cushioning in the heel that they don't have in the toe front. And I can almost say that they are a bit too soft in the heel. But I'm used to that with sneakers when weighing almost 100 kilos. There's a lot of sneakers that are too soft for us big heavy guys. But I like them a lot. I really do like them a lot. Just one final view. This is what a brand new pair of Bred looks like. And these are my old beaters. So this is more or less that vintage look. These are really worn out. So to show you the difference, you see that these are more narrow, these are wider, but now I have loosened the laces a lot there. But the color is more or less the same. So a beat up pair of Air Jordan 1 Bred. Once again, iPhone and colors, and particularly color red. But they really do look like a vintage pair Air Jordan 1. But they look way better. You have that design of an Italian luxury sneaker. Yeah, I like these a lot. So I'm absolutely gonna get me some more pair of these Collegium Pillar High Destroyer, or Pillar Destroyer High. Great pair of shoes. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will get back to you soon with another pair of these shoes or some more shoes. So please subscribe, thumbs up, comment, share the video, and see you next time.